Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to thread a bobbin on a white Model 263 sewing machine. First things first, we're going to take our wheel and just this small portion, loosen it. Then we're going to take our thread and we're going to put it on the post on the left. And then we're going to grab the thread and we're going to come through this loop here. And then we're going to come down and we're going to thread into our bobbin. So if you look at the bobbin here, there's a little hole right in the side. We're going to go from the inside towards the outside. And then we have to take our thread and put it under, and then put our bobbin on the bobbin winder, like so. So if you look at the overview, it goes from the thread through the loop, down through here, and to the bobbin. And we're going to take that, push the wheel up till the rubber hits the wheel, and then we're going to step back and use our foot pedal. And just keep on going. The reason we loosened this piece was so that the needle doesn't go up and down, it disengages the needle. And then this little foot here will push against here, and as it gets thicker with thread, it actually pushes the wheel, because you'll actually see that this spins, but this doesn't because it's full, so you can't overfill it. So it's a nice feature that these things have. Hopefully this was helpful. We're just going to cut the thread later and load your bobbin. Please like and subscribe.